In this lesson, we're going to learn how you can change the color of shapes inside Cricut Design Space. This right here is a paper doll. Let's say, for example, I'd like to create it. However, the doll hair color I would like to have to be brown. So in order to do that, over in the Layers panel, we'll see the blonde hair. So let's go ahead and click on it. And I'm going to go ahead and select a brown that is probably like right here. Let's go ahead and check that out. All right then, now that looks great. Now you notice when I was moving my slider around, you saw this change numbers. So I can go ahead and do that again here. But it changes numbers. Now, instead of you copying and pasting this and writing it down, because we do have another hair set to color differently. So let's go ahead and click on it. Look, there's current colors right here. This is great because all the colors that are currently on our canvas will be shown right here that we are using in this project. So let me go ahead and click on it. And now I have matched the hair color that I selected. I didn't have to copy and paste. Now you can use this down here. You can use the basic colors here in order to change the design to your liking. The other thing that I would like to change is this. Let me go ahead and make that maybe a light blue or a blueberry in order to make it more personal. So that's what you'd have to do. Now, a couple things that happen when we do this. Say we want to make this a print then cut. So we want to flatten the image. So let's go ahead and flatten the image. And now you can see that we don't have our option to choose the color anymore. Well, we need to unflatten it. So let's, with it selected, click unflatten. And now we have those same layers available to us that we are able to select and alter. Okay. Now, another thing that I do want to bring up in this is when we're talking about Cricut printable images. So I'm going to go ahead and filter this. I'm going to choose this person right here and bring it into the canvas here. So let me go ahead and remove this schoolgirl here. This right here, I am not able to alter the colors with it. So we're basically stuck when it comes to this. We're not able to do anything with the colors. So as you can see, I can't even click this and alter anything that would make this ruler still look like a ruler. So keep that in mind when you're talking about a printable image with this, because when you do click make it, you'd actually like to see the ruler. So that is one of the warnings that I would tell you if you are experimenting with altering colors. As you can see, if I click undo, we get those ruler markings back. So that is the difference when it comes to a cuttable shape and then a printable shape inside of Cricut Design Space.